How to fix Instagram profile picture quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram profile picture quality on Android phone. First, go to settings here. Go to Play Store, and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just update your Instagram, and then go back and open Instagram. Click on your account and click the three lines in the top corner, and then click settings. Now click account, scroll down until you find cellular data use, and here we'll find data saver. Now just make sure it's disabled. If you found it like that, just disable it, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.